Hi, Robin and Chet from Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journey.
Today we're going to tell you about the balloon ride at Coco Caye. So when we arrived at Coco Caye, we took the tram from the ship to the entrance of Perfect Bay at Coco Caye, and then we took the tram from the entrance to over where the helium balloon ride was at.
We're very glad we did not have to walk that distance. It is a long way to that balloon, and some of it's in sand.
Even though it says it's only a few-minute walk, it was quite a long walk. Because of COVID, they've changed things a little bit on the balloon ride. Normally the balloon ride holds 30 passengers, but with COVID, they only take 4, or your party. So if your party is 8, then 8 of you would be on the balloon together. So there were 2 families in front of us. That family of 4 got to go up in the balloon by themselves, which was great because the mom and the dad and the 2 children got to experience the whole balloon ride, just the 4 of them. When we got there, they took us up to the balloon itself, and the tour guide gave us a safety briefing and to hold the rails in a certain place. It had 2 small bumps, and that was basically where the tether hit the next linkage. Awesome aerial view of Perfect Day at Coco Caye.
But to get on the balloon, you have to walk up some narrow steps, and it's a narrow walkway all the way 360 degrees in that basket. But wheelchairs ain't getting in there.
No, it's not.
So you got to be able to walk up them stairs and stand the entire time. There's no seating.
Excuse me.
We went up 450 feet in that balloon.
And we got a lovely aerial view of the island.
And everything that was around it, including the ocean, the ships, and those pesky stingrays and sharks.
So I'm sure there were nurse sharks or sand sharks or something. Positive they were not great whites or anything like that, but it was definitely a ride worth taking.
Yeah, I thought it was great.
The 2 families before us with the children, the kids were very excited, and they loved it as well. So it's definitely family worthy as well as just a couple.
Yeah, we definitely recommend it. We're also going to ride a helium balloon. We haven't found no other real places you could do that, so here we are on a cruise at a private island, get a chance to ride a balloon. So if it's something on your bucket list, you might want to book a cruise down to Coco Caye and get on that balloon.
Now the other thing is, if the winds are high, they will not put the balloon up. And that's, I think that's why they like booking earlier in the morning, because the afternoon the winds do seem to pick up a little bit. Well, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the balloon ride at Coco Caye.
Balloon ride at Coco Caye.